All right, focus your attention on the top of the mountain. Whatever it is we're looking at is clearly in the sky. Okay, it's not a commercial airliner, not a drone, not a weather balloon, not a Chinese lantern. Now, right here, I zoomed in a little bit because you guys look, check this out. This is crazy. Okay, it'll like kind of shift into these different patterns and shapes and things, like a triangular pattern right there. It looks like some type of exhaust coming out the back. I mean, totally insane. Now, I got this on Facebook. Okay, now one of the people leaving comments on there said, no, we're looking at car headlights from the mountain behind there. So again, I added a filter right here to prove, to easily debunk that theory, that there's the mountain doesn't go that high. I mean, whatever it is, it's clearly in the sky. Who knows, probably around 10 to 12,000 feet, something like a private aircraft would fly at. Not a blimp, not a balloon, nothing falling from space, nothing like that. Now, you want my honest opinion, and I'm being dead serious. I believe this could be, some type of, black budget military project. Again, if you guys follow my channel, you know that they just asked, they being the military, the government, asked Congress for another $304 million, okay, for these black budget military projects, DARPA, NASA, all of them, okay? So right here, I put a filter on it, to bring out any type of heat signature, and clearly it's some type of exhaust, anti-gravity. I'm not sure, but again, it's not headlights, nothing man-made. It's clearly in the air. Okay, so and they seem to be communicating with each other. One of the comments on Facebook, the guy said, it's some type of galactic war. I don't know if I'm buying that, but nonetheless, it is some type of advanced technology. If it is man-made, it's a black budget project. Who knows? Could be from another country. I don't know. Now, I know this sounds like I'm just really speculating here, but look, I mean, with everything going on, this whole 180-day disclosure, the Pentagon, all of that, anything is possible. Okay, I mean, we can't leave any stone unturned here, and I truly believe this is an authentic, real UFO. Okay, now right here we can watch the video in its entirety, okay? And again, you see it kind of branching off into different, crafts. I mean, is it a mothership? I don't know. But again, there's some kind of communication going on. It seems like they're interacting with each other, the UFOs up there. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to show close-up pictures, and, we're going to try to zoom in the best we can, things like that. Typically what I do, I take, this particular video, a 2-minute video, and I crop out like a 10 or a 15-second clip, and I zoom in like 300% to give you guys a look. I know you guys like to see the close-up, and just basically get the best vantage point that we can get. So I've done that, so, but again, what are these other little weird lights all around it? I mean, this is totally insane. And again, right here, you see the mountain ridge, you see the rooftop, the man is in his driveway filming. So whatever it is clearly in the sky. So, okay, we're going to zoom in here, have another look. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show pictures that, I might add a few filters, because I did kind of pick up on a triangular shape, possibly a TR3B, something like that. Okay, right here, we're going to zoom in about 300%. And look, you'll see a triangular craft right here. It looks like an exhaust coming out the back. And then it kind of like evolves, I don't know, turns into, some type of energy field. I don't know. I mean, totally insane. I mean, look, I've been making UFO videos for a very long time, and it takes a lot to kind of get me freaked out. But I mean, this video got me really freaked out, because, it checks all the boxes, okay? It came from a guy that isn't trying to, run a YouTube channel. He's just a normal guy that filmed, something amazing in the sky, right? So, I'd be a little bit skeptical if it came, from another, channel that's known for hoaxing or something like that. But in this case, I mean, it's one of the best examples of a real, authentic UFO sighting. So, all right, guys, I'm going to show a few close-up pictures here. We'll try to break it down. Look, I try to give you guys just every last drop of evidence. I do everything I can do, to give you just the best look and the most information that I possibly can. Okay, so let's have a look at a few pictures. Okay, right here, you can clearly see that it is a triangular shaped craft, or at least at one point in the video, it has that classic TR-3B look. Okay, we'll go back to the video right here, and again, you see these other UFOs like communicating, interacting, battling. I don't know what they're doing, but we'll have another look at a different picture right here. And it almost looks like an energy field or a cloud. I mean, it just, I don't know, this totally blows my mind. I have no idea what we're looking at. Incredible footage, but that's about. Look, guys, I don't want to babble. Okay, I could probably go on for an hour. I'm so excited about the video, but I'm gonna let it play out. You guys have a good night. Sub to the channel, leave a comment below, join us on Discord, Nocturnal News, Nocturnal UFO on Twitter, Facebook. We're everywhere. So you guys, thank you for watching and have a beautiful evening.